The 2025 Lamborghini Urus OCUS represents the pinnacle of performance luxury SUVs, an audacious synthesis of extreme power, precision engineering, and futuristic technology. It is not merely a vehicle, it's an immersive experience, a rolling embodiment of Lamborghini's design philosophy taken to a level that balances brutal performance with refined sophistication. The Urus OCUS is a machine built for those who demand everything: unrelenting speed, cutting-edge innovation, uncompromised comfort, and a dramatic presence that turns heads in any environment. At the heart of the Urus OCUS lies a significantly enhanced 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, a masterpiece of engineering that now produces an awe-inspiring 720 horsepower and 737 lb-ft of torque. Engineers have completely recalibrated the powertrain management system to improve throttle response, lower emissions, and optimize fuel consumption without compromising the signature Lamborghini roar. Coupled with an upgraded 8-speed automatic transmission and a refined dual-clutch system, power delivery is instantaneous and relentless. The OCUS catapults from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, and it doesn't stop climbing until well beyond 200 miles per hour, a feat rarely seen in any SUV, let alone one capable of carrying 5 adults in complete luxury. A revised all-wheel drive system intelligently adapts power distribution in real time, balancing the needs of performance and stability. Whether on dry pavement, snow-covered trails, or loose gravel roads, the OCUS maintains supreme grip and directional control. Rear-wheel steering enhances maneuverability at low speeds and sharpens turn-in at high speeds, creating a surprisingly agile feel for a vehicle of its size and stature. Active torque vectoring distributes power across each axle, while a fully variable center differential constantly adjusts for optimal handling. The adaptive air suspension system can raise or lower the vehicle by several inches depending on drive mode or terrain input, improving aerodynamics and ride quality. This suspension system is further enhanced by Lamborghini's Predictive Chassis Control 2.0, a next-gen integration of sensors, GPS data, and AI algorithms that scans the road ahead and adjusts damping, steering, and drivetrain response before the driver even feels a change. The OCUS also introduces a segment-first active roll cancellation system, which uses electric motors to counteract body roll during high-speed cornering and off-camber surfaces, ensuring both driver engagement and passenger comfort. The Urus OCUS's exterior design communicates one message: unstoppable performance with commanding presence. The aggressive front fascia features Lamborghini's newly developed aerodynamic air blades, integrated within a resculpted bumper that channels air to both cool the engine and create additional downforce. Sleek, full-width matrix LED headlights with Y-shaped DRLs flank a laser-etched carbon fiber hood that improves airflow over the car's silhouette. Every vent, fin, and crease on the OCUS body has been aerodynamically tested to minimize drag while maximizing cooling and stability. Along the sides, muscular haunches flare over 23-inch carbon-forged wheels, lightweight, strong, and exclusive to the OCUS. Custom-developed Pirelli tires provide optimal grip across a wide range of temperatures and surfaces. Flush door handles, carbon fiber mirror caps, and an optional stealth black trim package enhance the SUV's supercar-inspired aesthetic. Around back, the full-width light bar is joined by a newly engineered active spoiler that adjusts angle based on speed, drive mode, and cornering G-forces. Beneath it, a quad titanium exhaust system emits a guttural symphony that changes tone with throttle input and drive mode, ranging from a refined purr in strata to an aggressive growl in Corsa. Inside, the Urus OCUS introduces a new era of Lamborghini interior craftsmanship. Every surface is covered in high-grade materials, including sustainably sourced Italian leather, Alcantara, forged composite carbon, brushed aluminum, and an OCUS-exclusive material known as Textrato, a synthetic microfiber that mimics the texture of suede but offers superior durability and breathability. The driver's cockpit is centered around Lamborghini's L-Connect 3.0 interface, a triple-screen layout consisting of a 12.6-inch customizable digital cluster, a 13.9-inch floating center display, and an 8.9-inch haptic control panel for climate, seat functions, and vehicle settings. The interface supports AI-powered voice control, deep customization options, and seamless integration with smartphones, wearables, and smart home devices. Using biometric login via fingerprint or facial recognition, the system recalls individual driver profiles, adjusting everything from seat position to driving mode presets to climate preferences. Over-the-air updates keep the vehicle's software current with the latest features, security enhancements, and performance tweaks, making the Urus OCUS not just future-proof, but future-evolving. A standout feature of the OCUS interior is the immersive cabin experience, created by a 26-speaker Bang & Olufsen 3D audio system with active noise cancellation and dynamic acoustic tuning. Paired with a newly developed acoustic glass package, the system ensures that even at high speeds, the cabin remains a quiet sanctuary or a concert hall, depending on your playlist. Passengers can adjust lighting, audio, and massage functions via individual touchscreen panels in the rear, while the executive seating package offers full recline, calf support, and ambient wellness lighting. Beyond luxury and performance, the Urus OCUS delivers the highest levels of safety and driver assistance ever offered in a Lamborghini. The car includes an enhanced Level 2+ semi-autonomous driving suite, with intelligent lane centering, adaptive cruise with predictive curve control, traffic sign recognition, cross-traffic assist, and a 360-degree camera system with off-road terrain mapping. The night vision assist uses infrared sensors to detect animals or pedestrians beyond the reach of headlights and highlights them in the digital cockpit. The OCUS also features an emergency driving intervention system that detects driver fatigue or unresponsiveness and can safely bring the vehicle to a stop while alerting emergency services. New in 2025 is Lamborghini Guardian AI, an always-on virtual assistant that not only helps manage navigation and climate but actively monitors road and driver conditions to suggest brakes, adjust cabin settings, and even engage wellness features like guided breathing, focus lighting, or calming audio. For those seeking personalization, Lamborghini Ad Personam offers limitless customization options. Buyers can select from exclusive OCUS-only paint colors, bespoke wheel finishes, unique cabin materials, and even choose personal engravings or digital startup animations. Whether ordering in Nero Noctis, Arancio Borealis, or a fully custom shade, every Urus OCUS is a unique expression of its owner. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus OCUS isn't simply an upgrade. It's a category-defying, boundary-smashing innovation that challenges what an SUV can be. It bridges the worlds of extreme supercar performance and luxury grand touring with technological intelligence that adapts and evolves. Whether conquering the Autobahn, navigating city streets, or traversing remote trails, the Urus OCUS does so with absolute authority, redefining luxury and performance for a new generation of drivers who demand the extraordinary in every drive.